Roblox error code 529 is a common issue faced by many players while trying to play the game. This error code typically indicates that there is an issue with the player's account or the game servers, and it can prevent the player from accessing the game. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the steps you can take to fix this error code and get back to playing Roblox. Restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve the issue. Try restarting your device and then launching Roblox to see if the error code disappears. Clear your cache. Clearing your device's cache can also help resolve the error code. You can clear your cache by going to your device's settings and finding the Clear Cache or Clear Data option. Check your network connection. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable. If your network connection is unstable, try restarting your router or modem. Wait for maintenance. If Roblox is undergoing maintenance, you may encounter the error code 529. Wait for the maintenance to complete, and then try launching Roblox again. Contact Roblox support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you should contact Roblox support for assistance. Provide as much information as possible about the error, including any screenshots or error messages you receive. In conclusion, Roblox error code 529 can be a frustrating issue, but there are several steps you can take to resolve it. From checking your account status to clearing your cache, try each of these steps in turn until the error code disappears. If you are still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support for help.